Hi everyone, in this video I'll guide you through the process of permanently deleting your Facebook account. Make sure to watch the till the end to avoid any mistakes, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's dive in. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Navigate to the menu by tapping on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the gear icon to access settings and privacy. In the Settings and Privacy menu, select Account Center. Next, tap on Personal Details, then Account Ownership and Control. And finally, Deactivation or Deletion. Choose the Facebook account you want to delete from the list. Select the Delete Account option and tap Continue. You'll be prompted to choose an option from a list. Make your selection and tap Continue. Follow the same process again by tapping Continue. Now scroll down and enter your Facebook password to confirm. Tap Continue once more. On the final step, confirm the permanently deletion of your account by tapping Delete Account. Once you've completed these steps, your Facebook account will be hidden, including your profile, page, photo, videos, and posts. Remember, this content will be hidden for 13 days, during which you can still restore your account by logging back in. After 13 days, your account will be permanently deleted. That is it. You've successfully deleted your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.